Net-leased properties in Florida are in great demand from investors all over the world. Investing in single-tenant buildings leased to a national restaurant chain can help create a long-term income stream for you. You may know of a national restaurant chain that has been doing business in the same location for many years. Many of these are owned by savvy investors, including insurance companies, real estate investment trusts, and high-net-worth individuals. These leases may have initial terms lasting 15 to 20 years, with options to renew and regular increases in rent. An absolute triple net lease is where the tenant pays taxes, insurance, and maintenance while managing the property themselves. Triple net leased restaurant properties for sale in Florida include McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, Applebee's, Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, Starbucks, and many others. To find the right property for your investment needs, call Patrick Morton at Income Realty Advisors, 239-272-1640.